ask Edgar every time we talk, at least once a month or so, what else do you have? I'm curious, I'm interested, I believe. Everything that I have added on has absolutely, improved our efficiency, and I want more. My uncle found Edgar, JPS, about, machinery was likely going to be the path forward and that I needed to get on board. Then a year goes by. Edgar, my sales rep, does a great job by following up, putting in my ear about machinery. It was a whole nother year until I realized he was right. All this equipment, is really giving us that power to go faster and make new ideas come to life. So it definitely helps, win us, those projects that we really want, because we know we can produce them with that efficiency factor in our production line. All shops should be trying to advance, and JPS is a partner in that. It's a partner in the future. I don't know these, suppliers, these manufacturers, and I know, JPS. So I have, full confidence that they know what I'm looking for.